First theorem, let the equations of the two intersecting lines be L1 is equals to a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and L2x is equals to a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then the angle of the bisectors of the angles between L1 is equal to 0 and L2 equal to 0 are a1x plus b1y plus c1 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square is equals to plus or minus a2x plus b2y plus c2 by square root of a2 square plus b2 square. So let the equations of two intersecting lines are given. Suppose these are the intersecting lines. First one is L1 is equals to 0 and the second one is L2 equal to 0. Now what is the given quotient? The equations of bisectors of the angle. So this is the line bisects the angle between the two given lines. So what is the meaning of the bisecting lines? Angular bisector means bisector of the angle. Means this bisects the angle between these two lines. Suppose the angle between these two lines is equals to 90 degrees. Then this line cuts the angle into two equal parts, 45, 45. Angle between line and this one is equals to 45. Angle between line and this one is equals to 45. That is the meaning of the angular bisector. Angular bisector means the line cuts the angle into two equal parts, and this is the second angular bisector. So this is also cuts the angle between the lines into two equal parts. So these are the angular bisectors. Now we want to find the equations of the angular bisectors, equations of these two lines. So first I take one point on the angular bisector. Let P is equals to x1, y1 be any point on the angular bisector. Now by the definition of the angular bisector, we can say that the distance between the point to these two lines are equal. Since this is the point on the angular bisector, the distance from P to the first line is equals to the distance from P to the second line. So here PM is the perpendicular distance from P to the first line and PN is the perpendicular distance from P to the second line. Since P is the point on the angular bisector, these two distances are equal. So by equating the distances values, we can find the equations of the angular bisectors. So this is the procedure. So first I take the given equations here. Given equations are the first one, L1 is equals to a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and the second line L2 is equals to a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So from the diagram, these two are the angular bisectors and we take one point on the angular bisector. Let P is equals to x1, y1 be any point on the angular bisector. Be any point on the angular bisector. So here we have two angular bisectors. We take the point on any of the two lines. So by the definition of the angular bisector, we can tell that therefore PM is equals to PN. Since it is a point on the angular bisector, the two distances are equal. Now what is PM? Perpendicular distance from P to the first line, that is modulus a1 x1. Perpendicular distance means we substitute this point in the first line equation, that is a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 by square root of x quotient square plus y quotient square, that is a1 square plus b1 square is equals to Pn, perpendicular distance from P to the second line, that is substituting this point in the second equation, a2x1 plus b2y1 plus c2 by square root of a2 square plus b2 square. Now removing the modulus and taking plus or minus sign here, that is a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square is equals to plus or minus a2 x1 plus b2 y1 plus c2 by square root of a2 square plus b2 square. Now we want the equation of locus. Now next we write the equation of locus. Therefore equation of locus is a1x plus b1y plus c1 by root over a1 square plus b1 square is equals to plus or minus a2x plus b2y plus c2y square root of a2 square plus b2 square. So this is the equation which is used to find the equations of the angular bisectors. Next problem, find the equations of the straight lines bisecting the angles between the lines 7x plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 5 plus 1 equal to 0. Find the equations of the straight lines bisecting the angles. Bisecting the angles means we want the angular bisectors. And what is the formula for finding the angular bisectors? a1x plus b1y plus c1y square root of a1 square plus b1 square is equals to plus or minus a2x plus b2y plus c2y square root of a2 square plus b2 square. By applying this formula, we can find the angular bisectors. So first we take the given lines here. Given lines are 7x plus 5 plus 3 is equals to 0 and x minus 5 plus 1 equal to 0. Now next taking the formula for angular bisectors. This is the formula for angular bisectors. Therefore, equations of angular bisectors are taking the formula a1x plus b1y plus c1y square root of a1 square plus b1 square is equals to plus or minus a2x plus b2y plus c2y square root of a2 square plus b2 square. Now what is a1x plus b1y plus c1? This is nothing but the first line by square root of a1 square plus b1 square, that is x quotient square plus this is a, this is b. A is equal to 7, b is equals to 1. Square root of 7 square plus 1 square equals to a2x plus b2y plus c2. This is nothing but the second line, x minus 5 plus 1 by a2 square plus b2 square, 1 square plus minus 1 whole square. Now substituting the values in this formula. So this is equals to a1x plus b1y plus c1, that is 7x plus 5 plus 3 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square, 7 square plus 1 square, this is a, this is b, is equals to plus or minus a2x plus b2y plus c2, second line, x minus 5 plus 1 by square root of a square plus b square, 1 square plus minus 1 whole square. So that is 7x plus 5 plus 3 by root 49 plus 1, root 50 is equals to plus or minus x minus 5 plus 1 by root 2, which implies 7x plus 5 plus 3 by root 50 means this is 5 root 2. 5 root 2 is equals to plus or minus x minus 5 plus 1 by root 2. Now here root 2 and root 2 gets cancelled. 7x plus 5 plus 3 is equals to, taking the cross product, plus or minus 5 into x minus 5 plus 1. So in the first case we take this value is equals to plus 7x plus 5 plus 3 is equals to 5 into x minus 5 plus 1. And the second equation 7x plus 5 plus 3 is equals to minus 5 into x minus 5 plus 1. That is 7x plus 5 plus 3 is equals to 5x minus 5y plus 5 and 7x plus 5 plus 3 is equals to minus 5x plus 5y minus 5. So 7x plus 5 plus 3 minus 5x plus 5y minus 5 equal to 0. That is 2x plus 6y minus 2 equal to 0. X plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. And the second equation, this is 7x plus 5 plus 3 plus 5x minus 5y plus 5 equal to 0. That is 12x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, means 3x minus 5 plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore angular bisectors are x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0 and 3x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. That's all. These are the answers.